Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.3 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just install it. Then go into Settings, choose Apps and Notifications, tap on Advanced and select Default Apps. Pick one of those options. I want to change my browser apps. I have to go into Browser App section, tap on Opera to set it up and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!